Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am just doing a little cleaning and wanted to bring you along with me. And if you'd like to see more of me and get some extra private content, don't forget to check the link in the description. Cleaning doesn't have to feel boring or stressful. Sometimes it's actually one of the most relaxing things to do, especially when you slow down and make it feel soft and mindful. I love opening the windows, letting in some fresh air, and just taking my time. When I wipe down the glass and see the light shining through, it instantly changes the whole mood of the room. Everything feels brighter, lighter, and more open. For me, it's not only about cleaning the house, but also about clearing my mind. Each little movement helps me let go of stress and brings a sense of calm. Even something simple like wiping a window makes me feel more peaceful and at ease in my space.